Let's see if this thing is working. Yeah. I have a camera, I have a microphone. That all seems to be working fine. So let's get straight into some coding. I'm going to be working on source doc today. Let's see if we can add some features. This one here. The streamer thought the thing is not working. Why is it not working? In the stream there. Let's see. This and this the size that we can see it all. Source doc. Let's do. What is this mid source do? Let's put that here. The border around it shows that it's active, but we wanna play with the colors and also have colors when it's recording and when it's paused. So that is we check if it's active in the current preview. I have state where it's active in the downstream key. Hello, welcome in Jeroen van Wissen. For the downstream key, we have orange, we have green for the preview. I think we should add some more. Always nice to hear a fellow Dutch streamer pronounce my name. Yeah, it helps. I'm not always quite sure if it's really Dutch, but yeah, it was a good guess. So if it's active in the preview scene, we set it there. And then we set it to program here. Here. And we can switch here to I think we can do that bitmaps. Recording. Jesus God, that's what coding is like? Yeah, coding is just like typing a lot of text in and hoping that it works, yeah? Mr. K, welcome on in. Now I'm gonna wish to code, cause cool results come out of coding. Yeah, there come cool results out of it, yeah. Just if you wanna learn how to code, just take it in small steps and take a project you're passionate about, then it's the easiest to learn how to code. If you have a problem you want to solve, that's the easiest way to learn how to code. First I need to ask for a laptop one day. Yeah, to have a PC it helps, yeah. Hey, welcome on in Res1 Coding. What are we making tonight? I'm working on the source dock plugin, and when you dock a source in OBS, you can show the active state, and that is a border around the source showing a different color, whether the source is in a downstream gear or is being broadcasted or not. I'm never gonna try to code on a phone. My phone will start tweaking. It can, simple projects can be done on a phone, but I like to have a keyboard for my coding. But I have been coding on years ago on my calculator, so it can be done, even on a phone. Roblox friends suggested me to make a Star Glitcher game. Yeah, games like Roblox can get you into coding. Yeah, it's, Uh, A game from 2018 called Just Shapes and Beats also can inspire me to start coding and trying to make music. I can't use BandLab and I'm not paying for FL Studio. I'm not sure what FL Studio is, but there are free tools available if you want to start coding. So it's music software. Yeah, I'm not really into that, so I can't tell you about that. Let's see, we have streaming state, we have a recording state, we have streaming and recording and past record. Let's move this one over here. I don't know why people rush developers and animators. Animating is a hard thing, and so is coding. Yeah. Sometimes it looks like something is very easy, and then it takes a lot of time to code, and sometimes you think that it's very hard to code and it's very simple, so it can be deceiving. Yes, let's see if the recording is paused. We're gonna get yellow. If we're recording red, recording red, and then we can pick a nice color for streaming, and I think that will be aqua. And then if we do both, then it would be pink or violet, the combination. Of red or indigo. Maybe just I put in the hexadecimal colors, then it is more clear. Because aqua is also called cyan. like this. Then it would be clear. That is orange. Just stopping by to wish you all the best, man. Love your plugins. Thank you for stopping by. Ludwig. Let's see. For this change is called what I'm previewing. Label show active. Hey, welcome on in, Dimmer. Good day, Exalto. Your plugins are amazing. Thank you for what you do. You're welcome. Let's see if we have front and event. Yes. Update active, that's almost the same. So that should do it. What is this called? It's called on scene change, preview changed. I think we need a bit of this. We also need to update active when stop recording. Those events and others. There is also these two. That should be all. Thank you for the subscription, Dimmer. Let's see. Now to see if all the code I made is actually working. Don't need that breakpoint. The source is in the program, so it's green. If I do studio mode, it will be orange because it's not recording or streaming. And if I add an empty scene and transition, then it should be green again. Yeah, only it stopped playing. It should always keep transition back. It's orange. Why does it not play? It's playing now. Transition, it will become green, and if I start recording now, it will be green. If I transition to it, it doesn't have a color now. Interesting. Streaming? That's not what I expected. This must be So we made some errors here. Recording. This should also be recording active. That's right. Yeah. String at that's right. And let's see if we can get streaming and recording at the same time. We don't have the settings because there is a source record active. Let's remove this one. Finally, should allow us to set some settings. If we don't have that one running, we should already be able to start streaming, start recording, pause recording, continue, stop streaming. Yeah, that are all the colors that I expect. For the labels, we need to make labels. Source doc will use labels if you don't have the preview active. Let's make sure we have the translations. This said Steam IDs. I think that has been replaced with class. So text warning, text success, and text danger. Hey, welcome on in, Amazing Treasure. I'm so glad to be in your session. Thank you for your making OBS very worthwhile. You're welcome. Let's see. We want source doc. That would be text danger. This would be text warning, text warning, and text success. Let's try if that works. Active is now green, and if I start streaming it should become red. If I should streaming and recording it stays red. If I'm only recording it red, and if I pause it becomes yellow, and if I stop it it becomes green again. It looks like it's all working. We did add 4 translations. That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm working on the source doc plugin, and then when you have a source doc, that you can have the active state as a border around the source. So I already made part of it before, but I'm adding extra colors and extra states to that it shows, so that you can easily see if a source is actively being recorded or not at the moment. So if we go to source doc and we enable the preview of the source, you see a green border around it. That means it's active, but it's not recorded or streaming. But as soon as I hit the record button, it is a red border. And then if I pause that, it's a yellow border. If I also start streaming, it gets a cyan color for streaming. If I then remove the pause, it's pink, magenta, something like that, to indicate it's streaming and recording. So if we stop the recording again, it should go cyan, and if we stop all that, it's green again. And if we switch to a scene where it's not on, there is no color around it. So seems to be all working fine. I wanna commit this first. Well, thank you so much. You're welcome. It will be in the next update of SourceDoc. That all looks okay. Now let's see if we can make that does not influence the width. Hey, welcome on in, Kev Aros. Just wanted to thank you for all the amazing things you do. You're welcome. You made the streaming life so much easier. Yeah. I hope so. I try to make tools that make my life easier and add features I want. So that's always good. Hey, thank you for the raid, stream up. Welcome on in, Silverlink. Let's see if we can make this border. Let's see which one of these we are getting. I'm good, Silverlink. Thank you for asking. And welcome on in, Xifodius TV. Was trying to fix a bug that was reported by some users, but I can't replicate it. Yeah, those are the difficult bugs to fix. If you can't replicate a bug, it's very hard to fix it. Sometimes you can guess what's going wrong if you see a log file or a recording of the bug, but yeah. This is the one I need, because now the border is gone, so I need this one removed as this one set to like 2 pixels. They said that the bot account didn't get ignored on the horizontal chat, but whatever I didn't do, it works like intended. Have you seen it go wrong? Have you got a recording or something, or and seen that the bot account was connected, the streamer bot, and set up correctly, and I like this small border color. It's good that way. Here. This will also be fixed. Yeah, I like it much better now, thin and neat. Yeah, just 2 pixels is just enough to see what's the status, and it doesn't take away too much from your real estate of your OBS. He provided a video and showed the settings, even tried to add extra spaces everywhere, still works glitchy. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, welcome on in, Steve's very own. Let's see if the color is also looking. Yeah, that also looks good. Red and yellow, red, purple-ish, magenta, cyan, and green. And if we switch away, then it's the gray. So what I'm working on is this border around the source dock that shows the active state of the source. So green means it's active in the preview, but it's not being recorded or streamed at the moment. So when you start streaming, it becomes cyan. If you also record, it becomes magenta. Purple, pink, I don't know color names that well, something like that. If you're only recording, it's red, and if the recording is paused, it's yellow, and if it's in a downstream gear, it's orange. Yeah. I don't do much color names in English, and most of the times I'm only typing in the hex values anyway, so. But the 2 pixel margin is enough to show it, so I think I keep it on the 2 pixel. Let's commit that. Let's see if I broke something in the build or that it builds fine. I think this one already filled. Yeah, the Mac OS filled. I have to update that. I have to update the workflow that it runs on macOS latest. And then I also move this part. Fix Mac builds. Remove that part. make it built on the latest. That should. At least it starts a Mac build now, so that is nice. Let's see if there were other things for source doc. Duplicating doc source when I switch scene classes and switch back. Let's try and replicate that. Thank you, Silverlink. So we have a source doc active here. If we switch scene collection, it stays here. I would have expected the doc to disappear. And if I go back to this one, interesting. It's not duplicating, but it's not working either. And we have an exception. Interesting. We switch to the empty scene connection. It keeps it. We should have content events. Should get here. When we change scene collection, that works. Okay. Let's try to get to the other breakpoint. Thank you for the raid, Matt Captulu. Scene collection. If I switch to this one, it stays there and the breakpoint is not gold. Why is that not gold? How goes it? It goes very well. I hope you are fine too. How was your stream? Was letting my chat know you're the one responsible for many of the wonderful plugins we use live. Yeah, I might have something to do with it. Hey, welcome on in Sylvinary. We appreciate all your awesome plugin work on OBS. You're very welcome. Lots of talking about the new part of Excel. Nice. I was testing switching scene collections. We get here, source docs is already 0, size 0, so it's not removing it. Interesting. And this is the only place the dock is removed. Maybe somewhere else. Yeah, here. When the source is removed, we should also do this part. The close and delete later are done. But that's on the This should about fix it. I see some spinning text in new plugin. No, that is the spinning text is an old shader I made. It's just the video file I have running. I'm at the moment working on source doc. But if you want the spinning text, you can, if you have the OBS shader filter, there is like a cylinder shader, something like that. This one we got. Let's see, we switch scene collection. And we get here. That looks to be working. And if you switch back to this one, it's added. Yeah. Not at the same place, but that's better than before. Hey, welcome on in, Spectre. Thank you for the bits. Thank you for all the awesome work. Yeah, you're welcome. And Desert Ice, thank you for the subscription. 9 whole months with the OBS code. Yeah, thank you. It's already 9 months I've been doing this streaming more regularly. Yeah, it's been this year, yeah. Glad I finally got to catch you live. Yeah, I'm not live that often, so... this should fix the deletion of source. Let's try if this also works in the old code. Remove that deprecation for now so we can test if it works. stream might lag a bit because it's compiling almost everything because I changed the header file of OBS itself. And if you change the header file of OBS itself, then everything needs to be compiled. Is it possible to have more customizable animated lower thirds with more options, as in a plugin in OBS, in order than the native OBS one with limited styles and transitions? Everything is possible to make, but lower thirds are often done just with a browser source, and that has a lot of options. So that would be the easiest most of the time to use a browser source. Come on, see, you can do it. Build succeeded. Yeah, lower thirds can be a downstream keyer scene, yeah. Scene collection. Switch to an empty one. And here we have an access violation. Something is let's see what was here before. I think we can just remove this one. See if that fixes it. And just say thank you for your great work. Been using Replay Source plugin for quite a while and it's phenomenal. Keep it up. Yeah, you're welcome. Let's see if I switch scene collections to empty, it removed it. And if I switch scene collection back, it adds it again. So that's also fixed. Then we can revert this one, this one, this one. Okay. Commit. So that should be it for this change. Hey, welcome on entry and Jesus balls. Then we my day has been great. I am working on the source doc plugin. I've been adding some border around the source that represents the state so that you can see if the source is being recorded, streamed, or the recording is paused, or things like that. Let's see. Let's see. Build looks to be going okay. I can show you a bit what it looks like. Let's start my OBS again. we do a source doc, make it visible. So this is a source doc for this media source. So if I switch to a scene that doesn't have it, the green border is removed. So green indicates that it's active on the scene, but it's not being recorded or streamed. So if I start streaming, it should change color, and then if I start recording, it gets another color, and if I stop streaming, it gets another color, and if I pause the recording, even another color. So that's just some colors I choose for it, and gives you an indication of what's happening with the source, if you're recording or not, if you're streaming. Just a little border around the source to show the states. Let's see if the build is succeeding. Looks okay. Let's check what version. 041. I think we might need to bump that version. What version are we on? The OBS forums? No, it's already bumped. It's 040. So only need to build, and then we can make it a release tomorrow. Most of the times, if I just make changes, I don't make it a release straight away. I sleep on it at night and do some tests the following day to see if I didn't forget anything, and then I'll make it a release. Hey, welcome on in, Presley B. So that's it's building like 5 minutes, and like a minute or two more and it should be done. It's already on the window basic. This is also basic. Linux is 413 out of 452. This is a little bit behind, but should also finish in a couple of minutes of building. I can check what the build before did. Yeah, like almost 7 minutes, 6.5 minutes. So this build should also be 6.5 minutes, nearly done. Not every build server you get is the same speed, so it can be a bit slower. The 32-bit is done, the 64-bit is done. Creating the Windows package now, and Linux should be about, yeah, last step. The other one is done. So Windows package, create installer, publish installer, clean up. Nice. So I can post this message. It's the latest build. Yes. That's all done. Were there any more issues? Let's check it. That is still something nice to make. Thumbnails of scene items, but that is not something I'm gonna work on today. It's too big of a thing to do in the time I have left. Contracts of a group in scene items. That should be possible to add. Is it something that I can add? Easy. Let's try source doc. Remove this one. Add one for scene 7. I don't need a preview. I need scene items. Let's put it here. Smaller. So that's all the sources there. And if I group this one, you see the group, but not what's in the group in here. Let's we have a bug somewhere in a pointer that is destroyed. A list of dock widgets. Interesting. Scene items. the source. Be OBS group from source. Excel, do you update OBS plugins from the suggestions you get on the plugin forums? I work on suggestions on things like this, yeah. Is there any specific you want implemented? Because most of the times, if I have time to work on OBS plugins, I pick some things I like or have time for that moment to make. Let's see. Yes, it's this is not that simple. That is working, but if we want to count there, Let's see if this works. No. I know Andy thinks I'm crazy, but is it possible to add a button to the move plugin to record a short segment of movement of a source? That is possible, but it is a lot of data. At the moment, a move source just has like a begin position and end position as data and calculates all the positions in between. But if you want to record, you will have to do it at the frame rate that OBS is set to, and record the source at that frame rate, and record all movements. That and a movement is the scaling, the rotation, the position, all things like that. And that's like 60 times a second is a lot of data in a JSON. And then if you have that recorded, how you're gonna display it and things like that. And also move source is technically only the position it moves to, and not where it moves from. So if it's if the source is now in the top left and your recording starts in the bottom left, what do you do then? Do you move to the first position of the recording first? And yeah, there are some complications with all those things, and then also make it easy in the user interface. I see we have two things that are on the same position here. So it's added the group and the media source, but they are on top of each other. It inserts it now at the row of the position, but that won't work because there are extra positions added for the group. Interesting. I can't believe it was possible, yeah? With coding, anything you can think of is possible, only some things are harder to make than other things. So, what's impossible is most of the times is very hard to make. And then it's called impossible, but yeah, is it technically impossible? If I enumerate the scene items, I don't get them in the order they are in. I do get them in the order they are in, because index increases. What is your opinion of other broadcasting options like Meld and Prism? I like that there is more options. The more options there are, the better it is for the streaming community. If there's only one option, there won't be any innovation and things like that. So other options is good. I think I gotta do this differently. This. This one. We need them in reverse order. Interesting. Hey, welcome on in. Ayayo. EA. Too many letters behind each other. James. Yeah, welcome on in. Yeah, just call me James. Yeah. So we still need the count. Yeah, as well. The first row, it will be 0, C. So that should work. Let's give it a try. So you are the guy that makes everything and Andy takes everything of you and says he made it? And he makes some things himself as well. He uses tools I made, and then he makes like sort of documentation manuals of some plugins I made. See that we got 5, so 4. It should be about right. We have a group, but the media source is shown not in the group. Interesting. Yeah, your plugins I've seen in Entry Stream are pretty great. I'm glad you like them. Oh, what was that? What? That's 3 layers? I'm not sure what 3 layers you are talking about. Was it in OBS that you saw 3 layers? The round text. Oh, that is at this moment it's a media source that's playing, but it's a recording of a shader. The shader bends the text in a circle, and it was a text source that has the scroll filter on it, so it's scrolling with the scroll filter, and then it's bent with the OBS shader filter, and then the blue bar is just a color source. Yeah, in this instance it's a video. It's this video. I can enable it and disable it. It's a recording of something I did before. But the group is now here, and that is working. But for group items we should indent. Let's see if I can add some indenting in there. Q string. V. Let's see if we got some indenting now. Let's make it a little bit more indenting. That works. Let's see. That works. Commit the changes. That should be okay. That is okay. Oh, working. Quick question, what does the tie checkbox do? That ties your transition to the global transition of OBS. So when you have that checked, and you switch scenes in the DSK, it won't apply it immediately. It will apply it at the moment you switch scenes in your normal OBS. So that way you can transition your downstream keyer at the same moment as your normal scene is transitioning. So you can set it ready to what this DSK scene it has to be, and before you do that you have the tie option on, and then if the normal OBS transitions, the downstream keyer will also transition. It is coming from like how they do it in broadcasting world with downstream keyers. So it's a technical term from that, like in video productions. I think why is this failing? Get scene item cards as an unused parameter scene. That should fix it. Hey, welcome on in, Wombo Zombo. So we should have a new build here. Let's see how fast this one broke, like 1 minute, 14:16. This build 30 seconds. So that is running. Let's see. It should fail around this point. If it fails on the same thing, looks to be building. Package plugin, that sounds like it successfully built. Post checked out, yes. All macOS builds are succeeding. The ARM build should. If the others succeed, the ARM build should also succeed. It is on the complete job has been done, but just didn't update yet. Yeah, update it now. We might need to wait a couple more minutes for this one. Building 3 minutes now. It should be done in about 6-7 minutes. So build, and on Linux it's like step 300. Further on is this one. That's all fine. In it should be I would have expected here already. This one, yeah, around the same place. Almost 400. This one's just a little behind. So we have quite a list of updates for source log now, so we should be able to get a release out tomorrow. This I expect this to succeed, and then we can reply to this. It should be close to the last part. Yeah, post checkout. This Windows build is done. This Linux build is done. So this one was the slowest. Is complete. Windows package, making the installer, removing temporary artifacts, also done, so we can do that. And then I think I am going to find somebody to raid. Let's check that raid browser thing again. That was working fine before. Or do you have any raid suggestions? So I'm pretty sure Castle is a good place for me to start coding, I think. A good place to start coding. The most important thing I find when starting coding is getting a project that you really want to change something about. Like if you have something you want changed or want made, that really helps into getting into starting coding. So for example, if you have an open source application, you want something changed or added, starting with that and starts with a small change and learn from that. That's mostly the best way. I don't think it's the best way to stick to a particular language, because different things you want to have done can be done with different languages, and in my opinion, if you get the basics of programming, it works in all languages kind of the same. So if you learn programming, switching languages is less hard than learning programming itself. I was trying to find somebody to rate. Let's rate this one. I've got the basics done. I haven't messed with C++ yet. That's fine. But I think I've done enough for today, and I will end the stream here. So I started the raid on Twitch, and on YouTube I will just say bye and see you another time.